Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start setting goals for study abroad with MindTools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by reflecting on your reasons for wanting to study abroad. Consider what you hope to achieve during your time overseas. Create a list of personal and academic goals. Be specific about what you want to accomplish. Identify the countries and programs that align with your goals. Research requirements for admission to these programs. Assess your current skills and qualifications. Determine if you need to improve in certain areas before applying. Set a timeline for when you want to achieve each goal. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Prioritize your tasks based on deadlines and importance. Use tools like MindTools to help organize your thoughts and plans. Create a visual goal map to keep your objectives clear. Set measurable criteria for each goal to track your progress. Schedule regular check-ins to evaluate how you're doing. Adjust your plans as necessary based on your evaluations. Seek advice from mentors or peers who have studied abroad. Join online communities to gather insights and support. Commit to your goals by sharing them with friends or family. Stay motivated by revisiting your reasons for studying abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.